I just want to share of the things that I want or that I'm feeling right now. So I feel kinda hollow, empty even because I am planning to edit a video or long form content, and I've been meaning to do a video essay about this anime that I've watched, and it's hard. I realize that it's hard. I'm so unmotivated to do the video. I'm scared to actually do that task. I do have my initial motivation first, and then I wrote the script. Not really the script, but I wrote an essay, and then I'm still not satisfied to the on the essay that I wrote. I think it's all over the place, especially the thoughts, but thinking of editing the video first before actually finalizing the script would help me to get more into the story or the flow of the content that I want to, or the essay that I want to write. And apparently it's not the case because I did try to edit and it's pretty hard, especially that I'm not really good with computers, especially that software that I've been using is free video editing software, and every time I move the clip, another clip messed up, and yeah, I pretty much gave up on it right now. And then what I did is I go to my father's room and then just chill and watch videos about video essays about that particular series that I want to review. And because that video is very inspiring, and I really want to finish editing that video, but I think I will do some compromising, and instead of my goal, which is a 30-minute long video, I think I will condense it to a 3 to 5 minutes video as a clip first, and then gradually increase my way. But as of right now, I don't think I have the motivation. I kind of feel hollow, not happy, not I feel unproductive, to be honest, and I feel a little bit lonely. Not in a sense that I'm sad, it's that I don't have anything to do in life, because if I take that away, that activity, I have nothing, and that's scary.